Everything that we do is built to grow sales on Amazon.
We manage nearly $1 billion in revenue on Amazon with over 400 clients.
My Amazon guy is an educator, a leader in that aspect.
We manage all aspects of Amazon, including SEO, PPC, CTR, design, catalog merchandising.
If you're a business owner, whether you're a small business or a medium-sized business or just a solo entrepreneur,
My Amazon Guy is the premier full-service Amazon agency.
We are your go-to experts on anything that digitally grows traffic and improves conversion on Amazon.
Hi, I'm the founder of My Amazon Guy. My name is Stephen Pope, and we're a 400 brand agency. We manage about $1 billion on Amazon. Everything that we do is built to grow sales on Amazon. We do this two ways. The first is through traffic, and the second is conversion improvements. So under traffic, you have PPC and SEO and CTR. And under conversion rate improvements, you've got design and catalog troubleshooting and merchandising. So if any of this interests you, please send us a note to sales@myamazonguy.com or send me a DM on LinkedIn or comment on a YouTube video. I'm here, ready to help. Talk to you soon.